Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. For this week, we'll be analyzing Gbpusd, and it's going to be a top-down analysis from the monthly time frame down to the 1 hour time frame. So, I'm going to I'm going to first of all map out the low, right? We have our low on the monthly time frame, and we have our eye. I'm going to use this as our eye. This is a monthly time frame. It's going to take a while before we even get here, so let's use this as our eye. Although this is also a very strong zone, right? So I would also map this out. Yeah. Yes. So what do we have here? On the monthly time frame, we see that price broke these lows and is currently struggling to buy, even though price is currently at a very strong zone and it's a little bit indecisive, right? Because of these doji candles we have here. I mean, it's a strong zone and it's reacting to this zone. So there's no clear direction on the monthly time frame, but we have our high and our low. Let's see if we have more information on the weekly time frame. Let's see what we have on the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, we have a lot of information. Okay, we see that price went very low and bought, right, for a period of time. Price bought into this zone. Let me map out this zone. Price bought into this zone. This is our most recent high, right? Yeah, price bought into this zone. I would also take this as our most recent low, right? This is our most recent low here. So let's just say we have a range now to focus on. Even though, I mean, price broke very low, but price was able to do a change of character. Price broke this high over here and did a change of character to the upside, of which it also actually came to retest the shoulder. If you look at this closely, you'd see that it looks like an inverse head and shoulder pattern, and if you look closely, you'd see that price there's a zone here which price is retesting or has retested multiple times, but now we are not sure what price is going to do yet, because there's a zone here that price reacted to. I'm actually struggling. I don't want to draw out another line, but let me draw it out. Let me map out the line. There's a zone here. There's a strong zone here as well that price has reacted to, right? But now the question is, are we buying or selling? Are we buying or selling? What does the weekly time frame suggest? Now we see lots of weakness around here, right? Price has actually attempted to sell, or has not quite successfully sold. So I think we have a low here. We have a low here, and this low is also a strong zone. Price was unable to break this zone. Let me map it out. Price was unable to break this low, and this low, this zone is quite strong as well, as price has used this as resistance before and also support. So price is struggling between these price is struggling between this region, right? if price was able to break this low and this zone, if price was able to break this low, it will mean that we are looking to sell. But price hasn't broken it yet, and it looks like there's a lot of indecision in the market right now. Instead of price to sell, price just gave us an indecision candle, which is this doji candle. So if you look very well here, we have this inverse AMA. This inverse AMA tells us that price is going to sell. Price actually did sell, but the momentum was not strong enough to continue selling. So it actually price was pushed back up to this place, and it's closed around here, right? Then also here, price also attempted to sell but couldn't break this low, went back up and closed around here as well. So there's an indecision in the market right now, and this is not good for traders. Well, I mean, let's dive down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, like we said earlier, like we saw on the weekly time frame, this is the low that price couldn't break or hasn't broken yet, right? We don't know what's going to happen, but I mean, there's actually a strong zone here. There's a lot of indecision going on, but price attempted to sell but struggled. I mean, after this there was a doji candle, right? And then price, we have a bullish candle here, right? Price attempted to sell but couldn't sell, and also could not buy. So what does this tell us? So it is possible that there's a zone here that price is also reacting to. So it's possible that price actually attempts to sell further. There's no break here. There's no sign. Price has not given us any sign yet. But it is possible that we are bullish for the short run. It looks bullish, although price might actually try to sell, and there's a little bit of liquidity here, right? So it's possible that price actually sells first and then attempts to buy, but currently there's indecision in the market. Let's see if we have more information on the 4-hour time frame. Okay, on the 4-hour time frame, it looks like we're going to go bullish to at least this region or this region. This would be the eye that I would pick, right, for a TP. But also price attempted, if you look very closely, this is a very strong bullish candle, right, on the 4-hour time frame. But all the same, there is a inverse AMA here, and this tells us that it is possible that price actually sells. But for this what would I call it now? For this view, right, that we have on our screen, this view, we have a bullish view, right? But price might sell first before buying. So even if you are going to buy, you would look out for, you'd have to wait to see if price sells and breaks and retests this line, right? You need to hold on. Price would most likely sell first and maybe retest this line. Once price retests this line, then we can enter for a buy, or we need to hold on and see if price how price reacts to this line, right? If price should break this line, we are very very bearish, very very bearish. But if price does not break this line, we look out for a confirmation, right, that price wants to buy. Once we have a confirmation, we can then enter for buys. But it looks to me like price wants to sell a little bit first before buying. It might actually come back to this our drawn zone, right, and it might not, but we need to hold on and get clarification from the market first, right? Let's see what we have on the 1 hour time frame. In the 1 hour time frame, there's actually a strong zone here, and price might either break or dance around it a little bit. Also, we have a fair value gap here, which would probably attract price down here. We also have liquidity here, so we just need to hold on and see what price does, right? If price is going to come as low as this line, this price rather, this is our 1.25172 price. Let's see if price comes this low, and let's see what price does around here. Whatever price does around here will determine if we are looking out for buys or we are totally bearish, or if we are looking out for sales, right? I think that's it for our analysis today for GBPUSD. Please don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. Thank you. Bye.